From the Biological Systems and Engineering Group, please welcome Jacob Rapp.
What do plastics, natural flavors, and jet fuel have in common? All of them can be manufactured with the help of bacteria. In nature, bacteria have evolved to eat whatever carbon was available to them to make what they need to survive. Bacteria naturally produce thousands of unique and interesting compounds. One such compound is an energy-dense liquid, ideal for use as fuel. Another is one component of a stable but biodegradable plastic. To achieve our economic and environmental goals, we at the Joint Bioenergy Institute want these bacteria to produce as much of these desirable products as possible. And ideally, we want them to do so while they eat the cheapest carbon available, especially if that carbon would otherwise be waste, like peanut shells or sawdust. But there's one core problem that stands in our way. Bacteria aren't interested in producing buckets of jet fuel for us. They would much rather produce more bacteria. The biological patterns that determine where the carbon goes in a cell are written into its DNA. Fortunately, in 2025, we don't have to accept that as a fact of life. We can reach into those cells' genomes and make a few changes. We, as bioengineers, have tools that let us make genes more or less active, delete genes entirely, or add new genes from other species. Taken together with the thousands of genes that make up a bacterial genome, we have far too many options to ever test all of them experimentally. That's where AI and my own work come in. AI tools trained with experimental data can predict what genes are most likely to be worth our time and what combinations of genetic edits are most likely to give us more of the chemical compounds we're interested in. And the best part is, when we do the experiments the AI has designed for us, we get more data, so the AI gets better and gives us better predictions in the next round. As we continue to iterate in this way, we get a positive feedback loop pointed directly towards exactly what we want: as much product as biologically possible. As we continue to iterate in this way, we can deliver biomanufactured products at ever cheaper price points, which lets us bring them to you as consumers. So the next time you see a biodegradable plastic, or you buy a lotion made without palm oil, or you step aboard a plane, you just might have bacteria and AI to thank for it.